Mucemanio uyu wa muingi kuma gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kajiado ya Rugongo na maofitha kuma thirikari-ini ya Kajiado utafanitio na muoroto wa kuheana mawoni maria meguteithiriria thirikari ya Kajiado hari ungania wa igoti kugerera kuri marihi ma igoti ria migunda.
This is a role that will be able to help the county be able to collect their own source revenue. So as a procedure and as the law requires that before taking the valuation, before proceeding in the preparation of the valuation role, we have to come for the public participation to actually tell the citizens of this county on what is required of them, what is their responsibility, to sensitize them on the purpose, the benefits of having a valuation role, and also be able to tell the county citizen why they are supposed to pay their rates as a means of trying to improve the service delivery for the county.
Muingi guku makiuria mitaratara miega kwarirwo niguo gwithema na ndeto ta iria irariho mwaka-ini muhituku na iria yatindikiriirie muingi kuhanda cira igoti-ini.
Mekwenda migunda iria ina freeholds irorwo wega angikorwo yari ya agricultural ndikaheo mbeca nyingi ona ya hutio ni municipal iheo mbeca nini na tondu tugukite horo-ini wa valuation riu valuer aheo kirira kana ataro erwo ndagekire mbeca nyingi
kwa special planning area, alafu mtufanyie capacity building wakati tuko kwa hii transition, ili tukimaliza transition tupewe allotment letters, tukue sasa category ya rateable owners through our allotment letters, so that the people of Umoja can understand how we have transitioned and why we should pay rates now that we have the allotment letter.
Even if you see how the economical state is, many people are not able to raise the monies for the new land rates.
No na thengia wa maya matariirie wona marikia kuriha igoti riri matigana gukinyirio tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere matura-ini.
We are paying these land rates, but the problem is we don't see the works of our money. We don't see the value for the rates. We don't see the value for what we are paying for, because the embezzlement, there's corruption, there's everything, which even we the young people are calling out.
Waone drainage system iko sawa, waone mataa zinawaka na zimewekwa. I think hata nyinyi hamwezi kataa kutoa hiyo pesa. Si ni kweli? At the end of the day tukikuwa hivyo hata hawa watatoa. Hata tukoitisha mingi zaidi kidogo watatoa, lakini tusiwafinye sana pia.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kajiado ya Rugongo, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kiari.